Schwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo kloy ki kubor na ke jela.
I've seen a news report that there is a violence in Phulbari against the party TMC workers, and also I've seen that our colleague TMC candidate from Kleret, Srinavare, also has revealed that in September he has been attacked by some allegedly NPP workers. This act of violence is highly condemnable, which is not acceptable in our society, and it's not welcomed by all sections of society. So this kind of acts shows that the NPP is highly insecure when it comes to fighting TMC in this coming election. This coming election, we fight for development, but due to the misgovernance of the NPP in the last 5 years, they know that they are not doing well. So they're highly insecure about what TMC is going to come and do forward for the state of Meghalaya. So in these aspects, I highly condemn this kind of instance, and I urge the Election Commission to put in more force, to put in lots of watch out here and there, so this kind of incident does not spread in other parts of Meghalaya and other constituency at all. So I request the Election Commission to take action in this aspect, and also to request all sections of society to be careful and to not accept this kind of incidents to happen anywhere else in other constituency. Thank you.
You see, there was a social feast organized by one of my uncles from village Charbatapara, whereby my uncle invited some villagers and his relatives, where I was also invited. I was at his house along with few supporters of mine. It was around 9:30. At this point in time, the MDC from 19 Shyamnagar constituency, he led a procession of about 70 to 80 people. He stopped the procession in front of my uncle's house, and immediately from there, people from the procession started pelting stones, bricks towards the house where I was with my supporters. 4 to 5 people were injured very badly, and one whose name is Nozrul Hoque, he suffered serious and grievous injury. Immediately I called the ambulance. 5 injured people were rushed to Phulbari Hospital for treatment. The same thing was also reported to local police. Police also came on the spot. Police came and saw the scenario, how the NPP workers vandalized, how the NPP workers, they pelted stones, bricks. Police could see all these things. Even the window of the house, the glass was also broken. Police saw everything. These injured people were taken to Phulbari Hospital for their treatment, and out of the 5, one was very much seriously injured. So Phulbari Hospital has referred him to Gwalpara for further treatment. I spoke to my supporters, I appealed to my supporters, and I thank also my supporters that in such a tough situation also, my supporters, TMC supporters, they kept their patience. But I really condemn the attack by the NPP workers, that too in the presence of MDC. In fact, it was also learned that it was he who provoked this incident, and it has happened only because of him. I would like to request the competent authority, the Election Commission of India, that a proper inquiry may kindly be conducted. I request the authority to kindly reveal the truth. I request the authority to kindly unearth what really had happened and how the NPP workers, the pelted stones, They even assaulted some people and vandalized some shops, even the wall of that house I was in. So this is a very shocking and a very serious matter. I am very sure that the competent authority will take appropriate action for a free and fair election. You see, I got to know from some news that TMC workers attacked NPP, which is totally false and baseless. Thousands of people witnessed what has happened. Thousands of people. And it is only the NPP workers led by MDC has done this. He is the one who has started this. The allegations that have been tried to be leveled against the TMC workers are false and baseless. This is known to anybody and everybody. Thousands of people will witness this, that our TMC workers were attacked by the NPP workers led by Habibuz Zaman MDC.
আমরা তো টিএমসির মানুষ, আমার বাড়ির মধ্যে মিটিং, ওরা দল ভাই আসে আমার বাড়ির মধ্যে অত্যাচার, বাড়ি ঘর ঝেড়ে ভাগে, বাড়ির চেহারা টেহার টেবিল চেয়ার সব ভাই সারখার আমার পানির বাড়ি সব ভাগে।
কি কি ঢাল আছে?
পাথর, ইট, কাঁচা এমডিসি নিজের হাতে আছে। এমপির মানুষই করছে,
বিশের নামে
এদের বিষয়ের আমরা চাই।